Okay, so last week, si Sosong nagtanong sa akin. This week, bawian lang naman yan eh. Okay, so meron tayong mga postcards dito.
Okay.
At behind each one, may tanong.
Yung mga anghel na lang.
Ghost of Christmas yet to come is haunting you. Ano ang future na nakikita mo for Solen?
Na sa sobrang ganda at galing ng Case Buddy show, magkakaroon tayo ng maraming out-of-the-country teachers.
Yes!
Thank you very
Push
much,
natin
Case
yan.
Buddy, GMA News TV. Next, okay, yung dear. Dear.
Okay. Santa Claus is coming to town. What should he bring you? Something naughty or something naughtier?
Something naughtier.
Oh my gosh, anong gagawin ni Santa?
Para kay Santa. Just kidding. I will just shave his beard. Pwede yung smoothie kiss.
Okay. Para walang rashes.
Yeah.
Ano ba? Okay, next.
Gusto kong malaman yung tunay niyang mukha eh.
Totoo.
Okay. This one.
Okay. Sana ngayong Pasko, si Solen ay
Magiging fluent sa Tagalog. Magiging ayos ang Tagalog niya.
meron ka ng 5
Maayos.
araw ha. may 5 araw ka. Okay, bago natin i-wrap up to, may isa pa kaming challenge. May bonus challenge ka. Kasi nga, ito yung pangregalo ng Taste Buddies sa'yo.
Oh my God.
Okay, you're gonna have to say, kumukiti-kutitap, First of all, iyak kayo mo pang sabihin yan. Kumukiti-kutitap, bumubusi-busila.
Kumukutitap, kutititap. Kumukutitap, bubusi-busila. Yeah. Pero Christmas is not all about cue cards na may tongue twister at mga foods and mga bonggang presents. It's also about sharing your time to your loved ones, giving your time, and yun, bilang pera. Pero okay naman sa akin.
Oo. Sana maging maligayang Pasko nating lahat.
Yes, Merry Christmas everybody! I'm Solen.
And I'm Iya.
And we're your
Taste Buddies!